Yeah, nation people, yes, 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 yes. Yeah, think them dead bad. Yo, them serious think them could have silent the big man voice, but them a come with some type of hypocrisy and some type of scandal and all type of fuck where them claim them a draft up. You think them dead bad is a message that to them, you know? You think them dead bad? Eh? I don't know lollipop thing, you know, can't silent world boss. No gimmicks business not dead about it. No joke thing not dead about it. Me no know if you not see it. A big banger just a release from the man mouth. You see what I say? Because I see the man and look at Vybz. I wanna see the man and look at Addy. And people are fight against the man. YouTube, Viva channel, and I go like say them feel like a some farmer lollipop thing. And I can't stop the thing them from murder the iTunes chart. No gimmicks business not dead about it. Go look on the streaming them on Spotify. Go look on the material evidence soon yourself. Cause no gimmicks thing not dead about it, you know. You know guys are not deal with the lollipop thing, you know. As we a Mat 90 rifle and Glock thing. Hear what me I say no man? Of the world it's not a plan. Hey, make sure you watch what I go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know. When I come for represent, full effective man. You don't know it go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now man. Are the people's champion. Oh, I mean, hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people, they can't get no better than that. Think them did bad. I don't know no lollipop thing. Yo, it's like a show. It's like a movie. No gimmicks thing not about it. All me I listen to the song, it's a movie me I look on. One of the you know them wicked action movie there. With graphic full of. Hey, tell you something man. No Vybz Kartel are not ordinary, you know my brother. No joke shit not dead about it, you know. Yo, you know them man they can go in a movie business. I feel like them man they can write script for a movie, you know. No joke shit not dead about it. The man say when time buying, you know, take the boy shirt, you know. All the man pan the polo, you know, chuck off of the donkey, you know. Chuck off, you know, and chuck underneath the earth, you know. I don't know, gimmicks business. Who the blood clot I think about them shit there? And them shit there everything where everybody know. Polo, look a man there and the look a donkey on top. Eh? Who I think about them shit there? Yo, see you world boss. Let me tell you something, man. Me no know what the fuck them are gonna do with your blood clot. You see what me I say? No joke shit not dead about you. No joke shit at all not dead about it. Me can't if you call it one of a kind. It look like a 1 in a billion to blood clot. You see what me I say? No joke shit not dead about it. No lollipop thing not dead about it. The material evidence dead for sure you. You see what me I say? No gimmicks thing. A matter of fact. What do you right now? I see like local Vybz take the plane. And I see like over England the general end up. Some right now I not even know if some show over there where the youth are gonna shell long and I not really hear about it or what go on or I'm private business arrangement or me not know if a vocation business. But you don't know local Vybz are the biggest son for the general. So you don't know say everywhere we're briefing about dancehall music and performance, I'm supposed to get highlight and coach properly. I don't have no idea about that. I don't have no negative belief about that. I know him coach properly. But here me answer to look at Vybz right about now. You see the song them where you have, eh? Is it from you can execute them song them properly on the stage? Remember, I tell you this, you know, because I tell you already, you know. I don't know if you don't listen me good, you know. I say, yo, girl, I go shot past security and run up on you, on the stage. I really think, man, the melody where you have, if you can perform on the stage with them same melody where you have, with them song the way you have, youth, eh? The girl them in for a field day. No gimmicks business not dead about it. No joke shit not dead about it. No lollipop thing not dead. Come I make you know from morning. Say look at Addy, him are the lyrics God. And you see you look at Vybz and you are the melody God. No gimmicks business not dead about it. You know, see, I could not the engineer God, no joke shit not dead about it, and the dog can multitask too, because the dog can drop song if him want. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it, because the man interest sell off the whole of Air Force One. No lollipop thing not dead about it. You see what I say? Right now, you know, the nation people, the thing, you know, in a proper control, you know, and we can't wait to hear from the Privy Council or the freedom of the world boss. Because no joke shit, you know. All you see them are going with a big gimmicks thing. And all you hear some boy a drop some song, them not drop no song like that. And no Vybz Kartel as we wait till all in the last end of the year. For start drop all some 4 time per 5 time. Back to back. Another far brother. Quick whip up. You see what I say? Not breathing space. Because song were dead have to erase out where they on the chart for 2020. We not can't go in 2022. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. It's a whole different year that and a different thing. Where's the coming of the world boss? It can't get no better than that nation people. We don't know we not represent no lollipop way. The song bad. Yo, the song bad no rascal. Right now, me never want a video bill for that song. There's a movie I want bill for it. Yeah, them for us build a movie off of the song. That's what I say. The script already right already. The song already right, the script already. All it does need for do is just act out. And the movie shot. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. The movie shell where hotter than where hell there. You not hear the type of blood clot lyrics in the song. You not hear what the man say? Eh? You not hear what the man say? And not chip in from one floor to the next floor to the killer instinct. Eh? Come like you not hear what go on nation people. Yo, there ain't nobody like Vybz Kartel, my brother. No joke shit not dead about it. You know what I mean? I wouldn't have to exaggerate about it because, as I say, the whole of the material evidence there for sure. Yeah, 20 years now. No joke shit not dead about it. 2 decades now in the business. You see what I say? And boy still can't pass. You see what I say? We'll lead them by a merry dance. No joke shit not dead about it. You see what I deal with? Yo, let me tell you something, man. The song bad, you fuck. You see what I say? And what? The song come at a time where some look jockstrap sniffing boys they on the internet and the media person them I drop some lollipop shit in the media with big gas up on the man name and think so well then that I go make the man stay one side and I put him focus part or no. No, big song in our blood clot ears, big bad song in our ears. We don't know what time it is. The guys are not deal with lollipop thing, as me say. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. We don't have to understand on yourself, you know. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. I want me to, you know. I tell you now already, you know, a whole heap of people try to bring down the nation of Gaza and all of them fail. You see what I say? I mean, I know if you don't see it. You see what I deal with? Because my gun don't see it. I mean, I know what kind of lollipop thing you keep on go on with over the years and them shit there. We don't see you fight a losing battle. How much artists come out and talk against and try and have to stuck up. Eh? And all you know go on somehow, no, the artists them wanna talk about and the artists them wanna hype up is a dull light upon them career. I just hype them a ride off social media hype where someone a give them. Them not hype like that in a dance hall. No, them not hype like that on the music chart them. No gimmicks thing that they about it Gaza Nation. But you don't need to go out there and support that song there. But you fuck think them did bad. Or the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent. What? Gaza way, you know. There no other way. 10-star. General.